So recently I went to Halong Bay in Vietnam where I discovered mysterious caves, went through an entire sea through bamboo boats. So from our Vin Pearl resort, we actually booked a 1 million Vietnamese dong one-day cruise per person. We're gonna get into one of these cruises. Okay, let's see the view. As you can see, the view is absolutely stunning. Mountains all over, the ocean all over. The wind was breezing. And the beauty of it is we got to go on special bamboo boats as well. So inside caves.
Oh my gosh. We're entering the cave again.
Now, some people actually did kayaking or used a speedboat instead of a bamboo boat.
Hi.
Currently chilling.
We are leaving the cruise to go trekking now. It's gonna be like 2.5 kilometers to see the surprising cave, which was discovered by 2 French women. And there are 3 chambers inside, so let's go explore.
Let's go. Up. Lot of staircase, 2.5 kilometers. Yes.
I could see all of the cruises lined up as I went up the stairs. It was a gorgeous view.
Look at the gorgeous view. You can see all the mountains and you can see all the mountains and the ocean and all the cruises.
So this is inside the Sung Sok Cave, which is also known as the Surprise Cave, which is hidden on Bohon Island. And also it has giant caverns over like 30 meters high.
Check out the whole view. This is really big. We're inside the cave.
Still inside somewhere air is there. I don't know from where.
It's very compact.
1% people.
How is it?
Oh my god, it's a lot of walking, man. It's all stone, rocks, cave. We're stuck in cave now. Forever.
We're real adventurous people now.
We're stuck in island, we're stuck in cave.
This would
If I
happen.
know this is just a route, I would have just crossed from here, right? Why did they take me all the way?
We have made it to the top.
There were so many cruises there, so many activities to do, even a buffet on our cruise. And then once we came back home, we went to the hotel and ate dinner. The next morning, we had an amazing breakfast at the hotel and then made our journey back to Hanoi. We're back in Hanoi, but this time we're getting a better service because the room, same hotel, but we upgraded. It's a better room. So they made a letter for us and fruits.
Some fruits, sofa sitting.
Deluxe. Which room is this?
This is, I don't know.
Not even deluxe,
They call
king.
it. Yeah.
Something fancy.
And good view.
Good view. Oh, view. Right outside the Aurora Hotel, there's lots of street shops.
We're currently in this cycle sort of situation. How is it? Good, good. I'm trying to use Google Translate to ask what this vehicle is. Can't hear. Si ciao. Si ciao. Si ciao. Si ciao. Si ciao.
After sightseeing on the tricycle for a bit, we went to Rishik, where we discovered that all the sizes are so small for us. Whether it's high-end brands like that, or even thrifting or local night markets, the sizes are extremely tiny.
Currently, we are in Dongsong Market, which is like a local market where they sell in wholesale, and you can find absolutely anything and everything. From just bracelets, stones, ties, clothes, souvenirs, you name it, they have it.
But that's not all. There's lots of other amazing tourist attractions that I visited over the next few days. And stay tuned for the next Vietnam series.